What's up, guys? So today we have got some mermaid slime I put together. And you can tell from the little bag or box part. So I put it together with some mermaid slime. So you may be faced a little weird. Hold up. So now
men try to talk all sense to them, and what do you get for your pains? There's a little gambler in every one of them. And one that earns his living with the cards. Hopeless. What is gambling? Gambling? Well, it's having a choice. Taking it. And then risking everything on your own judgment. And losing everything. Sometimes I said it was Richard. But not always. Excuse me, Eddie, there's something I have to do. Dorothea.
Alright, that's right. Hey, boss.
it is really wonderful slime. I love how you got how we put the pearls and the seashells in them. And then we put little party streamer thingies. The ones that make it shine. Hold up.
Jack.
Hold up, guys. Where's that little seat? Oh.
50 more.
Whoa. I needed that little seat.
50. 200.
I didn't do that. Okay.
Seats open. Anybody else? Guess it's the 3 of us.
How you put the glowing things in there that make it shimmer and shine. So the balls are really easy to come out. That's why we wanted something really sticky, but we couldn't find anything.
Hello.
So we just went with this.
Are they still playing?
This is store-bought slime, so
Yes, thank you.
this is what the little seashells look like.
And a pair of fours.
I think what you have to do where they won't fall out is you have to let it sit all night, but what I'm just gonna do is I'm just gonna play with it for a little while and then I'll do that. Okay, so this is the little container and it came with this lid. It's fine. But yeah.
Well, I'm President Reed. We're on in you to fight it out. And the rest of your while, that's what you want.
Sorry, it was zoomed in.
Couldn't do it without you, Johnny. Thank you. Sure might call this bluffs. I do, he's not bluffing. Time to really go after him, kid.
Just fine. So this is how much I've gotten. Here's the little container. Oh my god. So that's what I have now.
I hear you winning.
It's clear, and you can see some of
I was a
it.
gambler and that I didn't know it. But you were right. I bet everything that I knew Richard better than anyone else. Better than he knew himself. And I was wrong.
That's an honest mistake, again.
Yes, sir, but people should learn from their mistakes. I was lucky. I met you. Instead of being grateful, I started all over again, trying to tell you. I knew you better than you knew yourself. Trying to tell you that you have to play the game my way or not at all. It's your game. And all I want is just to be part of it.
We've got her dog groomer tattooed to us. Not tattoo, but
The
yeah.
only security I need is
I need to charge that up. Should be a long
This is a little one.
I didn't come here to upset you.
Mine's magic.
Wow.
Take that thing to
I've got it beginning back.
Okay.
Gentlemen, I've got a fresh deck here.
Ding.
For you. That's fine with me. I'm great.
Sorry guys, these are just like coming out. These just like coming out, and I don't know what to do about it. It's just, you have to have, they say you have to have really sticky slime to do something like that. No!
Why? I want to put some regular stuff in.
Okay, bye. Okay, so you've guys seen what it looked like. I may do another video
Throw this
of
away.
this. I don't know.
Now you take her.
I think so. This is just good. This ain't no slime. She don't know how to make slime.
Actually, she does, because she has way more slime than that.
Mike, pick the socks up and put it in that people.
That's why I hate getting slime because that's the money question she gets more.
Para 10.
So guys, that is the end for this video. Not sorry, but hope you like, subscribe, don't forget to comment down below. We'll do another video like this sometime soon, but I'll have a friend with me. So hope you like, subscribe, comment down below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and bye.